Took the postcode, went to right move, tried to check. Okay, let's see what the sale is like. First of all, just so that we look at the way the property looks again. Sorry, my computer is hanging a bit, but yeah, so quickly wanted to just see the way the front of the okay, so you have an idea what it looks like.
It's a big house, huh?
It seemed like. So again, come back here, property for sale, mark here. So the guide price was 53, so I just start with
50.
a quarter mile first. 50, 3 bedrooms. Well, maybe I should just do 3 to make it straightforward. Houses include letters under offer. So these are what I found. This is our property. Not much, so I think I increased the mileage, I think. Actually, let's do half a mile first. This is where I get confused. So when you do half a mile, I see 165, 135. They don't look exactly like our property, but
similar, yeah, okay.
Similar. This is one that's similar, but it's not.
Stop
Anyway,
there,
I saw
stop
what.
there, stop there. You see that one that you said is similar? If you go, this is the same house.
It looks like it's the same, isn't
If
it?
you click on the photo,
No, this is the house. Yeah, the one that says.
No. Okay, let's click. It's similar to this one. If you click the above the 95,000.
Okay.
That one is the closest to it, actually.
Yeah.
Go through the photos.
Seems it has only one photo. Sorry.
It's the same house.
It's the same.
You think it's the same, but the address is different.
What does the address say? 7th Street, yes? 7th Sister.
It says whole header or whatever
Okay.
that is.
How about our property? If you go to Paul Fosh, then click on the Paul Fosh one. No, click on it there.
But first one says car, whatever, car, something. Our property is there.
If you
It's
go to
different.
if you go to the YouTube video, watch the clip. No, don't go back. Click on the clip. Watch it.
This one is also run down a bit.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why that's the amount of money it is sold for.
These people are this serious at all?
Don't need work.
I think it's different though. It's
Hold on, let's just have a look. Because this will help us know then, if that property is going for 95,000, guide price is 50 for that one, we should not be buying it more than 90,000. Understand? We want to see the condition. You know how to fast forward? Hold on. Let me just do this.
Fast forward?
Hold on, no, hold on. Not that way. Hold on.
So this is the house now.
Hold on. I'll pause it, okay?
Yeah. Quick speed, you mean? Okay. That's how you will know a YouTuber.
See?
But this one is in better condition than the one we were trying
But
to
not a
get.
huge difference. Hold on, they haven't shown you the worst part yet. Look at that kitchen, it's outdated kitchen. Look at the sockets.
Definitely, yeah.
Look at there. See? Look. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
No need to be so well. Isn't that dumb?
It's the same thing. Yeah.
Okay, so let's go to the other one, right?
Yeah, let's just wait till the end.
Okay.
This is a perfect example for us. This just tells us we shouldn't be buying more than 90,000. Easy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because there's one there that hasn't sold for 90,000. That one may require a bit of work, but
so that one we are putting on is going for guide price is 53. So, and that's the thing with this their auction that I don't understand. Ryan, do you know that property that was 18,000, that rundown property that we saw in Sheffield, you know what it sold for? 126,000. It even sold for higher than the fair market value of a normal.
That's how we know some people. That's the reason why it's good to have someone to guide you with it. Some people go with emotions.
I told them, I said, do you even check the value of the property?
Because they don't know what you know. That's the reason why I said,
you buy it for 126,000?
Exactly. You and I know then. We're happy we haven't bought it. Right? This is why so many people think property is a scam. They see people doing it, they're thinking, oh, I can do this. Now tell me how that person's gonna pull their money out. Exactly. No, there's no way they can pull their money out.
That's exactly what Nika did, isn't it, Runa?
Like the lady in Scotland, right? She got a property rope on her neck now. She's not gonna get many money out of it. So now it's good. I like the examples Runa brings, right? So now you know that this property and that one is exactly the same property, right? The windows are the same, everything are the same. The only difference, the other one got something like a thing on top of the window, right? But they are literally on the same road, almost. Okay. So now you know then, how long has that property been on the market? It's been reduced not long ago.
Reduced on the 9th of January.
Okay. Yeah. You needed to add that thing I've asked you to add on your Chrome, okay? Add an extension, property data. Remember I've told you about property data. No, add that then, that will show you how much the property was.
Ryan, can we do it now? How do I do it? No, I think that thing you have to subscribe.
No, property data, you don't subscribe. I can't remember how to do it now. Okay, but that's not important anyways. But I'll show you now how much it was, okay?
No, but I know what you're saying because it was very valuable. I saw it done somewhere. I can't even remember where.
If I go to Rightmove now,
it basically pops up, right?
Yeah. It shows you like this. Let me show you. What was the postcode? SA10
9AH
9 Alpha Hotel.
Property data, yeah.
Yeah, property data.
So you don't have to pay for it to pop up with all the summary of details. Like
no, it's free. You just want to see how much it was. How much the property was. Okay, let me just hit find properties now. That's our property. You see here? Can you see my screen?
We can't though. I can't see your screen.
So if you stop sharing for a minute.
Okay, I'll do that.
I've stopped it. Okay, here it is. Yeah, you see here? Not that's not our property. Hold on. I need to increase this.
Our property is 20.
So you can see here now. Hold on, it's loading.
I normally go and check land registry for the last price, all those things. Yeah.
Now I'm sharing it with you. It's not showing anymore.
Oh, really?
There you go. There. You see? So it was 100.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was 100,000. This property is on the market since July last year. Right?
So it's overpriced, clearly.
It's overpriced, clearly. Two things you need to look at this, right? This property, we need to know if it's a standard construction property.
Because it's in Wales?
No, it's not that. It could be anywhere.
Okay.
So that's the... Okay, let's see first.
Okay, I think it's a normal house.
How would you know if it's not a normal house?
Because sometimes they will write it's not a standard constructions. It's not a standard construction property.
Oh, I see.
Sometimes that's the reason why it will take long in the market. And this now could be one of the ones that you can send letters to the landlord. Because you know now this guy is motivated to sell, and that's the number there. Is that 117? Can anybody read it?
Yeah, I can't read it.
Right, you should be working for the FBI.
That's 117, no?
I can't even see. I don't know how Rahim is seeing 117.
Then send a letter to them. I'll show you how to look for that in a minute, okay? So anyways,